Improve your writing with AI. Writing can feel hard when you're tired, rushed, or unsure how to phrase something. AI can help make writing clearer, faster, and less stressful. Here are a few simple ways. Emails. If you have a rough message, you can paste it into an AI tool and ask it to make the tone clearer, shorter, or more polite. For example, if an email sounds too blunt or messy, you can ask AI to rewrite it in a calm, professional way. Messages and replies. If you don't know what to say, you can describe the situation and ask for a few wording options. AI will share some options and offer you the chance to feedback and refine the response. Personal writing. Things like notes, journal entries, task descriptions, or simple outlines. If your writing feels scattered, AI can turn long paragraphs into short summaries or bullet points. It can also help with spelling, grammar, and clarity, especially when you're writing quickly. The goal isn't to replace your voice. It's to use AI as a tool that helps your ideas come across more clearly. You stay in control of what gets sent or shared. Thanks for learning with Tea and Tech. Hit subscribe and see you tomorrow.